Patrick. I don't know how much longer I can hold this.
Howdy, Chief President.
Cindy, don't hang up.
What do you want?
Oh, nothing. I'm just hanging out with the sponge. How about you?
Oh, you know, a little this, a little that, a little vacuuming.
That sounds like fun. Oh, I wish I was over there. SpongeBob's house is boring. There's nothing going on over here.
Well, that sure don't sound like nothing. What's all the ruckus?
Oh, SpongeBob's pineapple is rotting and falling apart all around us. We're doomed.
I'll be right over.
Oh, take your time.
Holding steady, Patrick. But who knows how long the support system will last?
Oh, this place sure went to pot quick. Knock, get it up, SpongeBob.
No, Sandy, don't. We must never, ever knock. This pineapple could topple over at the slightest just...
SpongeBob, what are you doing here? You were supposed to be at work 2 hours ago.
Hello? Anybody here? Hello? You guys know how to make a Krabby Patty?
No, but I know how to open a cash register.
Your tardiness is costing me money.
I know, Mr. Krabs. I'm sorry, but my help...
And Squidward, I expect more from you. Actually, no, you don't.